Hello YouTube, Jerry Kirkpatrick here, and this is the sixth and last opening of boxes before the event, which is this weekend. We have some stuff coming in from K&N and Lucas Oil, and these two boxes are from Midler Brothers, and this particular box here is quite heavy. So it'll be quite interesting to see what we have in that box. So before we get to opening the boxes, yesterday I got an email from Ron Covell, and he said that he got a package from Don Shady at Vintage Automotive in Alabama, and he sent 3 handmade Vixen file handles with a very hard to find 1 by 10 inch file. He's been a big supporter of the metal bashing meat for quite a while, even though he lives in Alabama. So thank you, Dan, for sending these handles and file. They're going to be a very wanted gift in our raffle. So there's going to be one very lucky winner. So let me get to opening these boxes. First I'll do the one from Lucas Oil and K&N filters. So what we got from K&N and Lucas Oil is a banner, a hat, an air cleaner kit, power cleaner, so you can just take your air filter out and this won't hurt the filter before you oil it again. We have some Lucas Oil injector cleaner, some super coolant, and I think that is like Redline's water wetter. And here we have fuel system cleaner. So you just pour that right into your gas tank and clean your fuel system. So there's some pretty nice pieces that'll be going out in the raffle. Let me get these other 2 boxes opened up, spread out all over the table, and we'll see what's in that really heavy box that I got from Midler Brothers. So what turned out to be in that very heavy box was the Midler Brothers catalogs that everybody will be getting in their goodie bag. We got 4 hoodie sweatshirts with their logo on it and 4 hot and cold tumblers. So Saturday and Sunday morning, the coffee and snacks, there'll be a little fruit bowl also available, is provided by Scoops. And Saturday we'll be having lunch out under the trees, and on the tables will be a menu. You'll be filling this out for what you want on Saturday. Each box lunch will have exactly what you've ordered in it, and be sure to write your name on the top. If you don't get one of these slips on Saturday, you won't have anything to eat on Sunday. So make sure that you get one of these filled out, your name on top, and this is exactly what you will have for lunch on Sunday. As for COVID, as I've mentioned many times, we will definitely be wearing masks while we are in the shop. And the Willits Chamber of Commerce has donated or given us masks for the event, and also bottles of hand sanitizer. So there will be, just outside the door here, masks and hand sanitizer. And over on the tables where we'll be eating, there will be a bottle of hand sanitizer on each table. So that's it from here. And I would like to thank very much all of our sponsors for donating such fantastic gifts to our raffle. Thanks for watching. I do like coffee. See you later.